Hello everybody, this is my daughter Zoe. She's helping me because my arms hurt. I've been going through some personal things. We just got the package from bhcosmetics that I ordered because my girls keep getting into my makeup brushes and not cleaning them. So anyway, we are, oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Okay, show the camera. The BH Cosmetics poolside chic or chick, probably chic, that I ordered.
Link it in description down below.
Yeah, she likes to pretend she's doing YouTube videos. Okay, so let's open them.
Open this. Come on. Bing, bing, bing. How you open it?
Oh, right there. Oh, there's some sticky.
Yeah. So sticky. Come on.
Here, let's see if
It's sticky.
almost got it.
Got it.
You know, we're not sending it back, so we could just rip the box open.
Yes.
Just rip it open. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that pretty case.
Post in the description down below.
Very pretty.
How
You like that case? Is it
Yes.
pretty?
Yes.
And they're wrapped up individually.
We can have our own market.
This is actually my second purchase from BH Cosmetics.
We can save it.
They don't have too bad of a chemical smell, but this is
We
what they
can
look
keep
like.
it.
See if I can. It's not focusing.
And this is
It's
my
really
sister.
pretty though.
Mom, show it to my sister. So
Are they soft?
Yeah, they're very soft.
That's a cute case though. I didn't think it came with the case.
I want to keep these forever.
Okay.
These
are really pretty.
We can keep them. Link in description down below. Bye. Show yourself.
Oh, those are really soft. I wish I had a
Show
pillow.
the camera to Maddie.
Why?
Because they probably want to say hi.
All right. Well,
Maddie.
we'll have to try them sometime.
Wait,
And
what is this?
no, that's it.
What is this?
It's a receipt that has personal information on it.
Okay.
Okay. I guess we're done.
Bye.